Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag certification tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to get 100% free Microsoft Exam Voucher in 2026. There is a three exams are there. One of this exam you can give, and there is a GS 300, a B100, and AI 103. So this is the Microsoft partner level up certification and AI. So we'll go through the step-by-step process is this. So here you can find that Microsoft Certification Exam Voucher 2026 Level Up Microsoft Partner Skilling Platform. Looking for a powerful platform to strengthen your Microsoft skills, prepare for the certifications, explore AI and Azure technologies, and access professional learning opportunities. Level Up is the Microsoft partner focused learning platform offering the flexible self-paced learning experiences designed for the Microsoft partner ecosystem. So this platform currently features a